hot off the press from a live workshop in Hamburg, Germany yesterday with Robert Kegan. There you can see him at the bottom of the screen. And I thought this was really relevant for us today, so I threw it in. Growth at work. So what he's highlighting here is how the 20th century answers and the 21st century answers. So the way we looked at growth before in organizations, it would be for just high potential senior leaders, for example, and now for everyone, okay? Before it would have been, you know, offsite kind of things, limited, out of context coaching, now it's together at work, okay? And every day embedded practices, not just at special times. And the other big difference is that growth at work used to be associated, kind of loosely coupled with business initiatives, but really kind of separate. And now with a developmental organization, it's tightly woven in and coupled with the business imperatives, not separate. And we'll talk a little bit more about that. So it's basically creating, places where we can flourish.